Installing the PSU air duct. To install the PSU air duct, remove the screw from the chassis. Align the screw holes on the air duct and the chassis, and then put the air duct down. Fasten the screw and ensure that the air duct is secured in place. To install the leak detection module on the PSU air duct, install the LACM into the two clips on the PSU air duct and ensure that the module is secured in place. Route the cable through the cable clips to keep it tidy for later cable routing arrangements. Connect the LACM pump cable and leak detection cable to the connectors on the system board assembly. Route the cable through the cable clips. Install the top cover.